Yes, hello. So, how you all? My name is Yogesh, and we are doing Standard 11 Statistics. We had started the chapter number 5, and we have seen, we have done the formula for Karl Pearsons method. Okay, we are doing skewness, and there are two formulas in this chapter, Karl Pearson and Bolli's method. We are doing Karl Pearson's method. In Karl Pearson's method, the formula, when we started, the formula was mean minus mode, formula for skewness. Then formula for coefficient of skewness was mean minus mode upon standard deviation. But if if mode is not defined, then your formula will be 3 into mean minus median. So you have to find mean, you have to find median, and then you have to find the skewness because you cannot find mode. Now, what are the situation when mode is not defined? See, this particular formula, or you can say the formula that is 3 into mean minus median, is not an optional formula. It is compulsory formula. If you are having done with any of the three categories, that means if any of the three categories satisfied, number one, when maximum frequency is first or last class, second, when maximum frequency is repeated, and third, when classes are unequal. If any condition satisfied, then you cannot find mode. And it is a bit logical also. See the first point, when maximum frequency is in first class. Say for example, maximum frequency in the very first class, maximum frequency is FM. FM in the first class. Then what will you name F1? There is no class above the first class. So there is a confusion. In second also, when maximum frequency is repeated, that means two FM are there in a single sum. So again the problem. And when classes are unequal, it also makes the logic unclear. So the mode is undefined in three cases. If you see that in any of the cases, see in question it will not be given that mode is not defined. You have to see the question. If the mode is not defined, or you can see any of the three of these conditions, then you have to automatically select this formula, that is 3 into mean minus median. That means we'll find mean, we'll find median, and then we'll find the standard deviation, and then skewness and coefficient of skewness. So my formula for skewness and coefficient of skewness is skewness is 3 into mean minus median, and coefficient of skewness is 3 into mean minus median upon standard deviation. So that's it. Now we have solved illustration number 4 in the last lecture. Now let us do exercise 5.1, sum number 6. Let me read the question. Consumption of cotton So the consumption of cotton is 0 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 20, and 20 to 20. Number of mills. 3, 10, 7, 12, 3. plus 10 plus 7 plus 12 plus 3, 30. Now let us find mid value, that is x. So my x is 1, 4, 9, 16 and 21. See, x is very easy, mid value, first and last one. This is my frequency. Three, 40, 60, 16 into 12, 192, 21 into 3 plus 40 plus 63 plus 192 plus 63. So my x bar is fixi upon 361 upon 35. So this is 10.31. Then I'll find the median. No, let us find median. Now this consumption, this question that consumption of cotton is in 1000 bags. This is your quantity, 1000 bags. So your mean is 10.31 thousand bales. Now your median is value of n by 2 observation. So this is value of 35 by 2 observation. So it is value of 17.5th observation. Okay. So where we'll search the 17.5, we'll make CFI. Let us find the C. This is 3, 13, 20, 32. Now the 17.5 is in the class of 6 to 12. So my class selected is 6 to 12. So class selected is 6 to 12. Now my extended formula for median is value of, median is L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into C. So this is 6 plus 17.5 minus CFI upon 7 into. Now what is class length? See, there is unequal class length. Obviously, that's why we had selected this mean medians formula. Now your class selected is 6 to 12, so you have to take the length of this particular selected class. That is, your length will be of 6. Okay, so it is 6 plus 4.5 into 6 upon 7. This is 6 plus, what is this, 4.5 into 627 upon 7, 3.86. This is 9.86. So this is my median. Okay. Again, this is 9.86 thousand bytes. Now, if I want to find coefficient, I need standard deviation also. So let's find standard deviation first. Now, what is standard deviation? It is fxi square upon n minus x bar whole square. Now, the sigma fxi square, that you have to search it, that you have to find it actually. Let us find this fxi square. How to find fxi square? It is obviously fxi into xi. So it's 3 ones are 3, 14 into 4, 160. Then 63 into 9, 567. Then it's 192 into 16, 3072. 63 into 21, it's 1323. So my total is 3 plus 160 plus 567 plus 3072 plus 132. So it's 5124. This is 5125 upon. What is my n? 35. Now what is my mean? My mean is 10.31. So it's 10.31 square. One 46.43 minus 106.3. So it's 146.43 minus 106.3. That is 40.1. 6.33. This is 6.3. So this is also 6.33 thousand bells. Now I have three things with me. One is mean, that is 10.31. One is median, that is 9.86. And one is standard deviation, which is 6.3. So I have these three things. Let us find one by one. Skewness is mean minus median. It's 10.31 minus 9.86. 10.31 minus 9.86. 0.45 into 3. So this is 3 into mean minus median. So this is 3 into 10.31 minus 9.86. This is 3 into 0.45. Now this 3 into 0.45 is 1.35. This is 1.35 again 1000 bells. Now my coefficient of skewness is 3 into mean minus median upon standard deviation. This 3 into mean minus median is 135 upon standard deviation. That is 1.35 upon 6.33. Yes, so this was my sum. And let us start with another one. Let us take FI We are doing 5.1 the second sum. Here classes are not there, but you can see that maximum frequency is repeated 56 is 2 times. So you cannot find mode. That means mode is ill defined. So you have to find mean, then median, and then standard deviation, and then coefficient of skew. Okay. So we are doing 5.1 seconds. So this is shoulder length in inches. 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14, 14.5, 15, 15.5, 16. Then number of customers, 5, 20, 30, 47, 57, 16, 3. XI, 16. into 12.5, it's 250. Then 30 into 13, 390. 57 into 13.5, it's 634. 56 into 14, it's 784. 56 into 14.5, it's 812. 37 into 15, it's 555. 16 into 15.5, 248. 16 into 3, that is 48. So this is 60 plus 250 plus 390 plus 632.5 plus 74 plus 812 plus 555 plus 248 plus 48. So this is 3781. What is total of frequency? 5, 20, 30, 47, 56, 56, 37, 16 plus 3, that is 270. So my mean, that is x bar, is 3781.5 upon 270. 3781.5 upon 270, that is 14. Integer 14.01. Okay, that would be more great. Again, your answer will be in inches, so it is 14.01 inches. Now, this is your mean. You have to find median also. So, my median will be value of n by truth observation. Here it will be n plus 1 as there are no classes. So, this is value of 270 plus 1 upon truth observation. This is value of 271 upon 2, 135. Now this 135.5 will be in the CF. Now let us find the C. 525, 55, 102, 158, 214, 251, 267, 27. Now this is 135.5 observation. So my median is, the median is quite easy, as you can see 135.5 belongs here. This is my. Now let us find the fxi square. What is fxi square? It's fixi into xi. So this is 16 into 12. 720. It's 250 into 12.5. 390 into 13. 634.5 into 13.5. 8565.75. Then 784 into 14. Then 812 into 14.5. Then 555 into 15. 48 into 15.5. 48 into 60. 720 5 50 70 plus 8 5 6 5 1 7 5 plus 1 6 4 8 3 2 5 4 4 7 6 5 3 1 6 7 5 3 1 6 7.7 standard deviation is xi square upon n minus 6 bar whole square. Minus 6 bar, that is 14.01 square. So this 196.92 minus 196.98 is 0.64. Root of 0.64. 0.8. So this is my standard deviation. Again, this is in inches. Okay. So I got three things: mean, median, and standard deviation. So now let us find skewness and its coefficient. So my mean is 14.01, median is 14, standard deviation is, my skewness is 3 into mean minus median. So it's 3 into 14.01 minus 0.03. It's 3 into point 0.1, that means point 3. Point, 3 into 0.01, that is 0.0. And coefficient of skewness, 3 into mean minus median upon standard deviation. So this is 3 into, or you can say directly take it as 0.03 upon 0.8. Point 037. So this is my efficient of skewness. So that's it for today.